Is your thread feeds not updating? Let me fix it for you. First of all, try the basic thing. Open up the threads, try to scroll down and see if it is refreshing or not. Sometimes the app just need a basic manual refresh. If not, go for checking your internet connection. Try switching between the data and your mobile Wi-Fi, or try turning on the flight mode, then turn it off after 5 or 10 seconds. If that doesn't help, then try clearing the cache of the app. For that, click on settings, go to apps, click on app, click on app management, search for your app threads, or simply type it up. Click on it, click on storage usage, click on clear cache, click on force stop. This will refresh your threads app. Now go to home, try again for logging in. If this doesn't help, you need to try updating your app. Go to Play Store, search for threads, if there's an update available, please update your app. If that doesn't help, try logging out and logging in again. Try to delete, uninstall your threads app and then reinstall and log in again. If that doesn't help, whatever your problem is, you need to go to Meta, your threads app, profile, these two lines, scroll down, click on help. Over here, shake your phone. When you shake your phone, there will be an option for report a technical problem. Click on report problem. There will be a page where you can write your problem and upload few pictures. If nothing helps, you can do this, or this may be a server issue that will be solved shortly by Meta. Thanks for watching. If that video helped you, please like, share, subscribe and support us.